Do you wish you could have more control over who comments on your Instagram posts and Reels? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to limit comments on Instagram so you can keep your posts positive and free from unwanted interactions. Instagram gives you the power to choose exactly who can comment, whether it's everyone, just people you follow, your followers, and similar. But before I start with the video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel because it would really help me out. Without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first step is to open the Instagram app on our iPhone or our Android phone and make sure you're logged into the correct Instagram account. Now go over to your profile, and from here we'll have to access our settings. I can easily do this by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then you're going to get to this settings page. This is where you can customize and edit a bunch of different things related to your account and your profile. But we have to scroll until you see the How Others Can Interact with You section and then find the comments right here. Under this Who Can Comment section, select this Posts and Reels, and then you can select if you want everyone to comment on your posts and your Reels. You can set this to people you follow, so only they can comment. Or if you would like only your followers to comment, you have that option also. And there's also this off option. And if you select this, then no one will be able to comment on your Instagram posts and your Instagram Reels. The comment section will be disabled completely for all current and future posts which you upload to Instagram. So the decision is up to you. You can select from either of these options, and this way the Instagram comments will be limited,